Good?
I've never been the type to where I just want to say, hey, I want to, just ride this out. I'm always there to be competitive and going for the race win, period.
That's the kind of more exciting part about this year, I think, is not only are we coming in as the champion, but also coming in on a whole new motorcycle. So it's a whole new challenge for us, which makes it a little more, I think, fun, but also at the same time a little scary.
It's been a lot of learning. It's a totally different bike, and the process, it's been fun, and I enjoy riding the 450s.
I need to try and win that championship, and that's what Star hired me to do.
Plan is race for Supercross Futures, but if we're riding good and stuff, we may look at some other things as well.
Expectation-wise, kind of just the same. I always want to win and just get better every day.
If you're there every weekend and putting yourself in those positions, it'll come easier.
Dylan, loves the new bike, everything about it, and I think it's suiting him so much more for Supercross.
Winning is the goal, but we all know that Supercross is insane.
Eli Tomac only enjoys winning, and I don't think anybody enjoys not winning, so he's coming this year to win. Nobody wants to go out not on top. I think the fire is even more there now to prove that he's still not done.
If I'm lining up on the gate, I'm going for the win.